As a small business owner, it's important you are aware of employment law. Whilst the following tips don't cover every aspect of a person's employment, I hope they will be a useful guide to help you effectively manage your employees. Employing staff falls into three categories, and firstly, I want to explain the process you must cover before employment. When advertising for a new position in your company, you must ensure your advert doesn't discriminate on the grounds of age, disability, gender reassignment, marriage and civil partnership, pregnancy or maternity, race, religion, sex or sexual orientation. I still see adverts in local papers or in shops with words such as young person wanted or would suit retired person. Make sure you avoid these terms and always check the advert is a fair reflection of the job requirements and what skills and abilities you're looking for. When you've selected candidates for the interview process, make sure you hire on the grounds of suitability for the role. Keep records and notes of the interview so you can demonstrate such fairness if challenged in the future. Don't forget, a verbal offer is still an offer of employment, and you could be challenged legally if you were to change the terms of the offer without good reason. A written offer of employment must contain key terms including job title and place of work, employment start date, hours of work and overtime if applicable, rate of pay whether it's hourly, weekly or monthly, notice periods, holiday entitlement, sick pay and pension. Once the employee starts working at your company, you must ensure you provide this written offer within the first 8 weeks of their employment. Let's touch on the steps that need to be taken from here. It's during the period of employment that you begin to build up a working relationship with your new employees. You want this employee to become a productive member of your workforce, and to help you achieve this, I suggest you have a written job description so they know what their job requires from them and the skills they need to do it effectively. Following this, you'd need to set up an induction program and make sure there's a probationary period so you can determine whether the person will be suitable for a permanent role. Keep records of their progress through formal and informal appraisals so you can make an objective decision whether to retain them, extend their probation or let them go. Also, keep a record of any holidays, absences, sickness, disciplinary matters and accidents. You need to make sure that you have suitable policies in place that are clearly understood, consistent and compliant with employment law. The main policies a company should have include disciplinary, grievance, maternity, equal opportunities and health and safety. Finally, let's examine how to handle end of employment situations. Employment can end for a number of reasons, usually because of resignation, retirement, dismissal, redundancy, or for family reasons. In the case of dismissal, organisations should ensure they've carried out the correct procedure and have kept written records of the process. If someone resigns, it's always useful to conduct an exit interview to find out the reasons why an employee is leaving and if it's because of a lack of job satisfaction. This knowledge can help you to improve your practices in the future. Just remember, employing people can appear daunting for small business owners when it doesn't need to be. If you feel you're struggling, using the services of a HR professional can help guide and support you and save you legal costs. For further information, you can visit our website on www.hrdept.co.uk.